Are you looking to start an online business in 2025? With endless opportunities to earn money online, now is the perfect time to begin. The internet has broken down traditional barriers, giving everyone with hustle and heart a real shot at building something special. In this video, we'll explore the best online business ideas and guide you step by step to financial freedom. Let's get started. E-commerce, baby! The future of shopping is here, and it's all online. This is where it's at. The digital marketplace is booming, and it's the perfect time to dive in. It's not just about selling stuff online, it's about building a brand. Your brand is your identity, your story, and your promise to your customers. You can start selling products easily through platforms like Odoo or Shopify. These tools make it simple to set up your store, manage inventory, and process payments. Think of it like this. You're not just selling a product, you're selling a story, an experience. Every product has a narrative, and it's your job to tell it. Whether you choose dropshipping, print on demand, or creating your own product line, the possibilities are vast. Each model has its own advantages and challenges. Dropshipping, zero inventory, less risk. You don't have to worry about storage or shipping. It's all handled for you. Print on demand, custom designs, unique offerings. You can create personalized products without holding any stock. Creating your own product? Now you're playing in the big leagues, controlling your destiny. You have full control over quality, design, and customer experience. But remember, it's all about providing value, giving people something they need or didn't even know they wanted. Customer satisfaction is key. You gotta be passionate, you gotta be hungry, you gotta be willing to outwork everybody else. Success in e-commerce requires dedication, creativity, and relentless effort. And don't forget about marketing. Utilize social media, influencer collaborations, and online ads to reach your audience. The digital world is your oyster. Excellent customer service can set you apart. Engage with your customers through live chat, email, and social media. Build relationships and trust. With hard work and the right strategies, your digital storefront can thrive. Celebrate your successes, learn from your failures, and keep pushing forward. Let me tell you something, your knowledge is valuable. Don't underestimate yourself. Selling digital products is like turning your expertise into a cash machine. Online courses, ebooks, digital templates, these are all assets that can generate passive income. Think about it. You create it once and it can sell forever. That's the beauty of the digital age. You could be sleeping, you could be on vacation, and your product is still out there, working for you 24/7. But it's not just about throwing something together and hoping for the best. You gotta provide real value, actionable advice, something that people will actually benefit from. You got skills? Of course you do. Whether it's coding, writing, designing, or even organizing events, everyone has something unique to offer. Everybody's got something they're good at. It's just a matter of recognizing it and putting it to good use. Freelancing and consulting are all about packaging those skills and selling them to the world. Imagine turning your passion into a paycheck. Writing, graphic design, web development, and even social media management, marketing. These are just a few examples of in-demand skills that can earn you serious cash. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer and others are your digital marketplaces. They provide a platform where you can showcase your talents and connect with potential clients. They connect you with clients from all over the globe. No more commuting, no more office politics, just you, your laptop, and the freedom to work from anywhere. Whether it's a cozy home office, a bustling cafe, or a serene beach, the choice is yours. Embrace the digital nomad lifestyle and explore the world while you work. But listen, you gotta treat it like a business. Deliver quality work, meet deadlines, and always strive for excellence. Build relationships with your clients. Communication is key. Keep them updated and be responsive to their needs. Word of mouth is still the best marketing, so over-deliver every single time. Happy clients will refer you to others, and that's how you build a solid reputation. Your skills are your worth, so make them count. Affiliate marketing is like being the cool kid in school who knows where to get the best stuff. You're recommending products or services you believe in, and when someone buys through your unique link, you get a cut. It's a win-win. You're providing value to your audience by connecting them with awesome products, and you're getting rewarded for it. But here's the key: authenticity. Don't just promote anything and everything. Stick to products or services that you genuinely use and believe in. Your audience can spot a fake from a mile away. Build trust, provide value, and the commissions will follow. Content is king, queen, and the whole royal family. If you can create engaging, valuable content, you're in the driver's seat. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, these are your stages. Share your knowledge, your passions, your unique perspective with the world. But it's not just about creating content. It's about building a community. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, build relationships. Tools like VidIQ can help you optimize your content and grow your audience faster. And once you have an audience, the monetization opportunities are endless. Ads, sponsorships, product sales, the sky's the limit. Listen, time is your most valuable asset. Don't waste it on repetitive tasks that can be easily automated. Platforms like Odoo, Zapier, and others are your secret weapons. They streamline your business operations, from inventory management to customer service, so you can focus on what really matters: growing your business and achieving your goals. Think of it like this: you're the conductor, and these tools are your orchestra. They're working in harmony to create a beautiful symphony of efficiency. So ditch the spreadsheets, automate those mundane tasks, and free up your time to focus on the big picture and future growth. Now that you have a clear idea of the best online businesses to start in 2025, it's time to take the next step. This is where your journey truly begins. It's time to take action. The ideas you've been nurturing, the plans you've been making, they all come to life when you decide to move forward. Whether you're interested in e-commerce, digital products, or freelancing, the digital world offers a plethora of opportunities. Each path has its own unique set of challenges and rewards. The opportunities are waiting for you. The internet has leveled the playing field, making it possible for anyone with a vision and determination to succeed. Remember, success isn't about luck, it's about hustle. It's about having a clear strategy and the willingness to put in the effort, in the work, even when it's tough. It's about those late nights and early mornings, the moments when you push through despite the challenges, day in and day out. It's about being passionate, persistent, and dedicated to your goals. It's about creating a routine that supports your ambitions and never giving up on your dreams. Every step you take brings you closer to your vision. Every small victory is a building block for your ultimate success. Join my community on Instagram and Telegram for tips, updates, and support. Like-minded individuals who are on the same journey, and further guidance as you start your online business journey. We're here to help you navigate the ups and downs and to celebrate your successes along the way. Remember, financial freedom is just a few steps away. It's about making consistent progress and staying focused on your goals. Start today and build the life you've always dreamed of. The journey may be long, but every step you take is a step towards your dream life. Check out the links in the description for tools and resources that will help you on your journey. These resources are designed to give you the edge you need to succeed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable tips on how to earn money online. Your journey to financial freedom starts now, and we're here to support you every step of the way.